To pair headphones or earbuds with Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here, go into the connected devices and go into pair new device. And as you do this, you will have to put your device in the pairing mode. You will have to check the manual for your headphones or earbuds. It usually you have to press and hold the pair button for a couple of seconds and it will be in the pairing mode. But anyways, as you are in the pairing mode, your device will be displaying either here, or if it's not available right there, you'll have to press this button to pair new device. And from here, the phone will scan for nearby devices, and right here, as you can see, here are our headphones in the available devices. So all you have to do is simply select your device, and from here, press pair. And that is how to pair headphones or earbuds, and as you can see now, these headphones are connected with this phone.